Well, today is a road trip kind of day. I thought it was going to be a great day for a road trip, sunny, hot, and humid. I'm headed up to Ag Progress Days in State College, Pennsylvania. But now it's turned cloudy, and I just checked the radar, and there are showers in the area of the event. So I guess it's going to be a cloudy, rainy, hot, humid day. Humidity has just been oppressive for the last month or more. We've had heat indexes, the feels like temperature at 120 many days, yes. But we'll see what it is. I'll find a garbage bag somewhere if I need to stay dry. And hey, actually, I have a raincoat in the truck here. So if I need it, I've got a raincoat. When I did this 2 years ago, of course it was canceled last year, but 2 years ago, it was a muddy mess up here. It had rained, I don't know, a couple of inches the night before this event started. It is a 3-day event. But the parking just in the grassy area, oh my God, it was a muddy mess. They had tractors there pulling cars out to get them going, just mud everywhere. By the time I was finished that day, my shoes were covered in mud, and it was still hot and humid. But that's our weather on the East Coast in July and August. So let me go see what the latest and greatest is in agriculture. We'll see if we get some video footage of anything happening here. Okay, you're seeing some of the research plots here at Penn State. The Russell Larson Ag Research Center. We've only got a couple more miles to go before we are at the event. I have traveled, let me look here, 279 miles, 4 hours and 50 minutes, and I've averaged 22.5 miles to the gallon with an average speed of 57 miles per hour. All right, looks like right up here on the left.
read signs. You know what that says. Please, hey.
Okay, I think I've seen all I need to see, so I'm going to head south. Man, it's warm out here today and humid. We had a rain shower come in and put us under the tent for about 10 minutes, but otherwise it's been good. But I think I am going to make a trip back up here to Pennsylvania to a dealer next week, look at some skid steer loaders, so we'll see. There are not really a lot of demonstrations at this event. This is dairy country, so it's more hay and silage, dairy cows, no crops. I do see a sprayer over there running up and down the field. But yeah, this is not like some of the other shows. I was going to get run over if I did not watch what I was doing. As I was saying, this is not like some of the other shows in the Midwest, you know, where you've got a whole lot of field demonstrations. That's not what this is all about. Hopefully one year I'm gonna make it out to one of those shows. We'll see. All right, where's my truck? Hey, I found it. Okay, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to make it out to one of those big shows. There's one down in Georgia. Where's the oh shoot, the one in, is it Illinois this year? I don't know if it's going to be this year, but one of these years I'm going to get to one of the big shows. Hey, you know the great thing about today, what was there, 5,000 or 10,000 people here today? Three masks. That's all I saw. It is great to be among your peers. I would have seen 3 just in the hardware store in an hour. Yeah, well, you know, most of this is outside, but heck, I'm seeing people in my neck of the woods wearing them outside. I saw one guy yesterday on the side of the road fully masked up with the gloves on. You know, 90 degrees outside, 70% humidity, walking on the side of the road with a mask and gloves. Okay, so I'm going to head south. 5 hours, what is it, almost 3 o'clock? I guess it'll be after 8 o'clock when I get home, because I'm going to be hitting rush hour traffic, I'm sure. So, until next time. Oh, yeah. I did have a couple of people recognize me and stop me and say hello, and I appreciate those people stopping to say hey, and thanks for watching. Okay, until next time, see ya! Yeah, can you see that? Well, it's hard to see. It is raining and camels and zebras. My gosh, it's coming down. Wow. I've been in this for about 10 minutes now, but I think I'm getting ready to make a turn up here. And I think I'm going to move out of this based on what I'm seeing on the radar. But luckily I got around, I got through Harrisburg. I missed the storm up there. I got around the Baltimore Beltway before this rain came in. I got out of Annapolis. So that was my main concern. I just did not want to be on the Beltway. I could see the storms coming. So I'm just on a single rural road now. So it's not nearly as bad driving in this, at least in my opinion. So hopefully this ends soon. I've still got another I must have picked up the COVID today. I'm sorry, the Chinese virus. I've got about another hour and a half before I get home, but if it rains like this, it'll add another 30 minutes to the trip. So I hope not. And I guess there was some wind that came through just before this storm started, because there is branches and tree limbs in the road. We had to go around one large branch that was in the road. Hopefully that's all of the obstacles that I face on the way home. Okay, I just made the turn here to head south rather than to head west into it, so I think, yeah, it's letting up already. And I can see clearer skies ahead of me, so I think I might run out of it now. Okay, I spoke too soon. But the main reason I turned the camera on, you see what this windshield wiper is doing here on the left? It's pulling that water back across the windshield and it should not be doing that, but it's done that since I've had the truck. I noticed that the first time I drove it in the rain, and it's pulling it all the way back over here. I did ask somebody about that, and they said there could be an issue with the alignment on the wiper. So apparently on the windshield itself, down here at the bottom, there are some lines, and that is where the wipers are. It's a mark on the windshield to line the wipers up. So when the wipers are off, they should be hitting the line apparently on the bottom of the windshield. I have not checked that yet to see if that is the case, but yeah, that's what I was told anyway. Okay, I think the worst of it is behind me now. Oh yeah, I see clear skies ahead. That's good.